Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the smartest and most underused strategies in business growth, joint ventures. Whether you're a startup founder, a small business owner, or scaling your empire, this could be the one move that levels up your reach, revenue, and reputation. Let's get into it. A joint venture, or JV, is when two or more businesses come together to achieve a specific goal while staying independent. It's like forming a mini partnership without giving up full control of your business. So, why do joint ventures work? Number one, shared resources. You get access to someone else's audience, tools, or team without paying full price. Number two, lower risk. You're collaborating in a focused way. It's limited in scope, so the commitment is lighter. And number three, speed to market. Instead of building everything from scratch, you launch faster by working with someone already in motion. Here's a simple example. A tech startup teams up with a marketing agency. The startup brings the product, the agency brings the audience. Together, they grow 3 times faster. All right, not every business is JV material. So what makes a good partner? First, they offer something complementary to your business, not identical. Second, your values and goals should align. And third, they should have a solid reputation and actually follow through. Has been Dr. Melissa J. Williams, and remember, success loves collaboration. See you in the next one.